welcome to Dylan Nazaria. Today, I'm gonna open this water science kit filter. I'm gonna touch it. Wow, look at this filter. Now, when I pour this water with soap, look at this. To pour. Now look at it. It's gonna filter. See that? It's dripping. And then it's dripping here too. And dripping. Wait, not here yet. We're gonna wait until it gets in this level. I'm gonna check if this drip. There's a drip. No, come on, come on. It's gonna filter everything. But if you have this water filter, don't drink it. Look at this. Look at this. And there's soap in this section. And the water is still full. I'm gonna pause. So guys, it's taking so long, so bye bye guys. Look at this water filter. This is what's inside it. Crushed granite, pour clean sand, filter paper. Yep, there's filter paper there. Activated carbon, filter paper again. Quartz sand, filter paper. So it's all filter paper, but there's sponge. So bye guys, subscribe and like.